Hi everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how can you browse and choose between equalizer presets in your Logitech G535 headphones. Let's get started. First we have to open our headphones in our app and enable advanced EQ. Now in the default presets we can choose bass boost, cinematic, communications, flat, FPS, multiplayer online battle arena. Apart from that, we can browse more presets, for example Dark Gaming, CSGO, CS2, Rainbow Six Siege, Valorant. There are a lot of options. That's it for today. Like and subscribe for more details of videos and hope it helps you. Goodbye!